Here's what would happen if the sun were suddenly replaced by a red giant. No explosion, no warnings, just the sun suddenly swelling and filling the sky. First of all, Mercury and Venus wouldn't stand a chance. They'd get swallowed up as the sun slowly expanded to nearly 200 times its current size. And Earth is next. Our sky would start to glow a deep orange color, brighter than anything you've ever seen. Temperatures would rise rapidly, triggering a runaway greenhouse effect. Oceans would begin to boil, pumping steam up into the atmosphere. Now, red giants on the surface are actually cooler than the sun, since they burned up most of their hydrogen. But even though this sky is cooler, its size and intense brightness would still melt our planet. As the red giant's outer atmosphere gets closer and closer to Earth, our crust would melt and all our air would be stripped away. All life on our planet's surface would be wiped out long before Earth is fully dissolved inside the red giant. And Mars wouldn't escape either. Its ice caps would vaporize, briefly forming an atmosphere, only for intense solar winds to rip it away, leaving behind a glassy, scorched world. In order to survive, humanity would need to leave Earth long before this happens, building space habitats, moving entire populations into space, abandoning the inner solar system entirely. However, that won't keep us safe forever. As the red giant sheds mass, its gravity weakens. This would cause the outer planets to drift as their orbits expand and become destabilized. Eventually, the red giant would shrink down into a dense white dwarf, surrounded by the burned-out remains of the planets, including the one that supported life. The scariest part is that this isn't science fiction. It's the real ending waiting for our solar system just 5 billion years from now. That's a relief.